Hello viewers, today I will show you how to get images from the PDF. Doesn't matter how many pages inside the PDF, we just have to click one click to get all those images which are in PDF. So let's start. See, this is the PDF images which I want to separate. So what we need to do, I need to drag in the Photoshop and we will see all those pages, and we have to click on the image, so you will get images, all images. See, now you have to select image what you want. See, I need first one, then ninth, and let's say this one. I have selected 3 images and click OK. Now see images which we have selected. One more benefit, you will get the same image which format which is in the PDF. If the image is JPG, then you will get JPG. If image are in the PNG, so you will get same PNG image. So this is the very easy way to get all the images from the PDF. Thank you so much.